Hello everybody, and welcome to a special review coming to you live from Tucson, Arizona. As you can see, we are at a crossing which is currently being used by a freight train owned by BNSF. We're at West 7th Street in Tucson, Arizona, which is currently under construction for road work. But yes, this crossing is served by BNSF and served by Amtrak. Sunset Limited and Texas Eagle both pass through here. But nonetheless, let's begin this review. Yeah, so the bell that's going off right now is a general signal e-bell. And these are Safe Tran LEDs. A Safe Tran signal base and Western Cullen Hayes gate mat. But yeah, so that direction is facing the Tucson Amtrak station that is also heading west. Well, that way is heading west towards Los Angeles. That way is heading east to New Orleans. The other signal right over there has the same kind of signal as the other. But yeah. Actually, you know what? This crossing is not owned by BNSF. It's owned by Union Pacific Railroad, which is the train is passing by right now. And there's the end of the train. Let's watch the gates go up, shall we? Yes. So, what's cool about this crossing, right? As you just heard. So when the gates lower, the bells ring. The bells ring until the gates rise again. As you can see right here, yeah, that is the relay case over there for West 7th Street crossing. Let's see. This sign here, this is the first I've ever seen. To watch out for any trains that might pop up right around the other train. But yes, so that's the crossing ID. In case of a problem with this crossing or an emergency, like your car got stuck on the train tracks or whatever. But yeah, yeah, so 2 tracks at this crossing. Right over there is West 6th Street and West 9th Street. And over there, that is where the Tucson station is. But yes, let's do one more overview before we end this. So there you have it. 2 signals. No quad gates or anything. Anyways though, that is gonna do it for this review. I will be uploading more reviews of crossings and the station here at Tucson very later. So I will be reviewing that crossing and the other crossings around the city and the main train station that's here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Take care.